You look funny. Okay, so yesterday Alex got whatever. He got this pie face game where you have to spin it. And let's say you got 2. Spin it twice. Oh, you did 3. But okay, so technically how you play it is you spin it, whatever you get, like you crank this up, and whoever gets the pie face gets pie on their face. You have to buy whipped cream. Whipped cream is not included.
Mommy, but don't get it.
I'm not. I'm just gonna show you. And we got the gray bally one because it's going to waste either way. So review for this game. It's good. It's funny. You'll have a lot of fun. Right, Alex?
No, I got 5.
So will you give this game a thumbs up?
1,
Alex.
2, 3, 4, 5.
Alex, will you give this toy a thumbs up or thumbs down? Up? We'll go like this. Alrighty. Bye, guys. Say bye, Alex.
Bye.
Like this.